Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Toshiba Aftermarket 8-track. This comes from Brian in Mound, Minnesota, and the problem reported was that it plays slow. So the first thing we're going to do is check our speed. I have fixed the speed problem, so I've got a speed test tape here. It's a genuine RCA 8-track test tape with a 400 hertz tone, which you may not be able to read, but it's a 400 hertz tone. So we're going to be looking for a number between 395 and 405, which will be in spec. So let's go ahead and pop this puppy in. Okay, bring your volume up so we can read it. Let's check our speed. Look at that, right on the money, boy. You're not going to get much better than that. Okay, so we'll go back to our unit, now that that's done, and we will listen to some Neil Sedaka, if I can find him. Here he is. Okay, here we go, Neil. Okay, between songs there, so we'll listen. There we go. Okay, blank spot there. Okay, make sure we have both speakers. Balance right. Balance left. Okay, there we go. That takes care of that. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track player. Just make sure it plays and switches tracks properly. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And please download and print the work order, which will have all my prices and options, including options for turn times. So please print that before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions. After you have a work order printed, I'm happy to talk to you. But as far as the 15-minute barrage of questions, it's just starting to cut too much into my bench time, and so I'm asking all customers to read my work order before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Brian, for your business all the way from Mound, Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.